It is normal say or no so about so say na mo so be mo so mo dream with future mo mo say ebi oba we oba ha dream oba we opeska do oba we oji do oba ni timi hwe no ne ho nyema do so me we wo hwe sa situation na o timi ka say embo am timi sa no sa so na enso ti sa e ma ya so timi ti na so na enso ya dream am say be me hwehwe ne nkomo bomu ene yenkomo yedie eni ebia se na oye na ade se na ohwaniye hwehwe ontimi hwemi yie afi nso kra be wo a eno so ba be asem anya kra ne understanding of certain things no ha drink kakra na pose be the level of maturity ebe ha ya mesu bisu minya ho kwan eden I think
everything afọ na saying te me kwa kwye ti se so bi pade a aya chinchina ne chi ade ko ne de wo mo pese wo mo pe ni ntina ye so mo nsa eka na sare ya sinete bibia ye pe ene ye nya ade bia ya koma wo hu ene ye nsaka na die kura na ma che se bi buafu me hu a me kan se mu setiefuo eya we wo se mo pa na esi se eya abrante wa wono se ne kanchima se won pani biem enti no wabomode ade petrol akogu eya womoda washi ne kanchima ni onu ani ni achese mba mienu na achese wapeja atu wo mu achese ye kase womo battle with womo kwa ewo eya Comfort teaching hospital etiefo chese wutumu se ya we wo sem papa na woni wo ba hihye wo wunware ni ye enyesi wakotua ne bright price enyesi wotu anamo se wo ye mejire na esi dem pinatri so de etiefo ye ni mu se pinatri etimigu anytime essence ni njira so bia ene oba no ko hu oba foforo after all entua wo wo be ma wo bo me wo ka otimi fa ni we se be ma no so ko hu oba foforo after all me mbo wo ka enti wo no to timi fa ni we na relationship mu eya suban so hia enti betumi abasa oba ono fe de obekọ na suban epushi wo partner na free wo enti e ba mpena twede a the probability say mpena twe no ebegina no eye very low netifo ye kokoshe video amba iwe no ma shi wo no efambro
eba ne say eye den na obihwe petrol boom so
ya no ko fa no ne mama ka kire ni se okusku nti on time ne boy ni de openu ano nti se mama ya kasa obehie petrol pesi be boy nti nyano otin soli pesi mo boy mutim boy ni etua ye be nyina
eye awewo semu a esi eye obi ba nipa ba kumba emba mienu ye kase okuku Comfort teaching hospital just say one a battle for their life all because of abrantia just say wo peminia just say won say aware the relationship that say musisibo na akoba senti ase bi ni adwuma to oba na pese okọ ni we na wo tu sa na mo na utimi wo say ni patu yesu o show bi enim efe hu ni tim na etimu asem de nipa ba akofo no se aba akofo no no ano bi mo no kwa ni timu asem na emu kire mu ti no ye minia ba mo fe broni efi abroni ni dini no na mo se ye ba twetwe nkomo minia ba ka ba
mechi so ama
se me ka minia ba na makai kofuko bi minia echi na ogwa
onyo ni
wa mo ko akanfo papa na bini na bini aba kapodi na o share video ya na o share senia ya ba na ji o ma sika krampo no nchire mu chire se o nye sika pa wo mo de betu o bills esan se ho wo na be bi o mo dan what one o mo dan cry bed ni san your man a day 2 million it imagine 2 million for a day as see achesa wo mo de nsem na ba so ku hia mboa na miniaba o sha brand ya na mo tu ya na ko for life dancer you say na le kwa so bi so pe ubie wan so ende na
wo mami sad our crowd no relationship. And our employer say, oh, and no problem, quite something already and get quiet and sign. And no problem, a month would you could see, baby. No, no, sign on a packing anymore, it's no relationship.
No, not a kind of
That's
I
now, it's funny, say I want to beside a question American person beside him. Say, Obi, I don't worry. Untianka, onion, one dear, wouldn't treat your shame. Now, why you wait? Only now relationship. No say, ah, ready, Mesha, and what, and I say, Mesha, your future. If you are not and could be any and what will be a dream move. So I'll be a choice and I will make it. I think me and sure says Bema most of the things that you look after. Enye obane color, enye obane shape be, enye obane ebia tuana na mo fe bi na most of the time they am near who pay attention to. Mu future. Inti saa na tie ema so yanzo ma no. Yes, you nipa ni bi. Inti yesu be pewo. And I say be hwe ye no na ntia what relationship is meant to be or to do in the lives of humans. I said the two will come to the know of each other or come to know each other. Now they come to understand. It is a nam. Our relationship, relationship, that's it. We won't say, I do a share, Unyobia, say, you to be sure, say, ah, Unyobia, Ebia Beda, Chimuno, Oberboamia, Mitime sign, sound now, social as a million, and a Bema now, more commercial for those in Mapi and Antia, Uncle Ye, our sign. If you are saying I will share by the way, it is normal, say, or not so about it. So, say, I'm also the dream with future. How much was it? If you are bad way, or bad haji, or bad way, or pescado, or bad way, or chicken, or bad mission, no one near my doors, or anyway. Who share such situation out because I'm one into my son. So, I was an answer at Tisa, Eddie. My answer to meet us as I do one. Eh, baby. Hwehwe ne nkomobomu ene yankoma yedie eni ebia se na oye na ade se na ohwaniye hwehwe ontimi hwemi yie afi nso kra be wo a eno so ba be asem anya kra ne understanding of certain things no ha drink kakra na pose be the level of maturity ebe ha ya mesu minya ho kwan eden science kasa na tie e wo relationship
okay
nti esi na wo dia wo se wo nton ho ase onyonko uno obi na moba nam na za wono wasan ya onti ase se ene ne sare me kwhye ama aka obi fufuro kronka asem no
ni aba
oh really
na yen show metie wo kasem kakra bia we dey pese me chipping say oba no wakwaku ni say oba na ama odi yawo ahye no ene ni nua no ebia waboka wo ne ho ebia chese wasem na daje ebia obanzo aka impress semat to na suma owo ni say ye dan ya oni na owo ni say bibisa akoso na ama ye kase ye nua be ebia nenu asem a wakaye ana wo say bi mu mpe be ma on kan chire be ma ni say wo mpe no obema di ni sika obema ni be hwe na bisuafo be ma ni be ye bibia ma no na ne mu si ne mu so no wo say wanya injina so a na fe do be prese wonya me class wo ni say bibisa e na course na be ma ni timi control e ye ne bufu
ma me anke bibisa anke you say come ba betu na me be bo asem no like o question me be basola asem no e kama kuma ma e she me bufu ma mentimi anchia ya hwefo nti
ai le wa ka wo dia na wo dia mo chia
na me ba asem yi so no me ka say anka esa na ti a ankomo dia asem ba re to into put me and busy on that fact and ever judge the case. So what you
but the many be update
I say now some mema amabadem because say oh dey meka and the story say ba ye before suffer from abuse and then you poor money we ni echi no dey meka say what say you can't relationship once in situations like this epopi apa so what I see most of the things that I happen to always hit the temperament of the person the other spouse say over checking the temperament of the other spouse. Now, you use that to make certain decisions. And I'm sure so Obana Mogo at I say, if you have been polo, a strike of Beman, no say, Obama and say, my say, a man, my say, I'm on nature. Was me and Monsieur, and there was something I saw a Jane said, what at all could be wrong with on one and not Obani in making that decision? All Beman also no mistake, Kakra. So I said, there is a possibility because me, you want to say, I won't say, a man go home to sa. So I said, but in a case like this, I am making the actual reason, the only reason I'm out there, I to know. And our caution. So as I said, and there are cases like this. Obana enya she like on cheating or Bema so you can't say no, that's all cheating.
Okay.
But this could be also said or Bema so also a mistake. Okay, if it's me, but it's all crowd. If you're banana part last year, you will also temperament, something she cannot handle. If you're woeful in temp, it's like a harm. And if you're crowd, still the waiting you're sure about also done. Mammy, or about also done.
Yeah, say I'm not into me, so don't cry as a stick. Or don't walk.
When you're
different, so
when you're
because someone don't walk. Na utu machine pana na odone wen na news bi kran pa che se ebe pie mu eye wo ba wonye mu ma ne bema na wa se twitwa no because of si wo chi na odone wen odone bi ti asibi
mame but sometimes I think people have mixed feelings and different description or say when you see the word description for the word love I'm out for or send on track or dobi ase so I say that's not say as simple into no although God is love and so far as God exists the love also exists everything that we attribute to God also exists into love but I'm out for say as the word another problem. Okay. So I say, now, like I say, obi edowa be prie to try okay. There are some people like onu obi edeti anante ache nyama nkoye odoni pa na nyama nkoye ma omuntem tete enso bo se so ba won na be man bo so mu nia support each other even as be man na warin po anasa obani po warin po bo so ba no anasa be man no support the ex no this is a proof of the fact that this is love. So what I say this is a mutual understanding me do but mama would say and you don't qua and they worry there are certain things do one meet me and stand meet me any day 8 me no want now and I would say if I want to say no you might be no meet means anyone now but already in the door yen want to say obi am fan of kwan so na mom se bibi na ehia wa utimi ba something like this exists. Okay. So as I said, that should tell us into obi or yes say is there someone who is obsessed.
Oh, okay.
Oh, or you're obsessed. Your obsession and I independent sir. So as I said, and I'm also because me ba asem na o kan so say e no ba no Obama na say more ban. What is love about? You say relationship. We don't make a love. Say any say Bema you know odo bi na o odo oba no. Nti and the relationship oneself. What is relationship really about? Relationship is about sacrifice. Okay. And I mean who they say Bema say kofu mienu e relationship mu a oba ko pe e na sacrifice ma ba ko. David na Bema no focus ni nyina ejina sika so. Nti o invest sika kakra e wo ba na fa na. Na say was sacrifice to the relationship as about more than sacrifice my relationship. And me can say sex is a sacrifice because sex is something that both of you mutually enjoy. It's me can say sacrifice, but most of the time man they feel baby on one about me mouth. Me are sure say anyone can be about that particular moment. Or better me use that time for something else. So what I say, but you make those one move all the way from the place. This is time. We're wasting time. This is another way of showing you say or although and after invested I feel so proud and then relationship has become something so much so that a man equal relationship more a yana or more a year you must say our reform. So what I say into all the senior mama I mean, you will you need sacrifices maybe. It's in like I said, what sacrifice I'm or banning, so okay say on say I say Emma won't say I say more about the great or
not just saying, you know, now, my last question, when I should know about the top one, relationship be a come and it lead to a our way. Relationship will be a shall see and what I say, a shall see, say a pray, say, do baby, and a swab. Needing another swab, yeah,
relationship, yeah, and ending our really because so I'm a kind relationship yeah dear in a coma, your person in a you Nafe, I say, you bet me and that was our real point, you bet me do so and more 90 when a man who find one will say, oh, there are certain things you are you cannot stand. So I'm going to love. That love is not the only reason why people get married. Two people say there are certain things you cannot stand. That it's just a normal understanding. You talk about it, we agree mutually, and we have another point. So what I say. So any relationship, it's more experts say every relationship you enter will lead you to a friend is a marriage. This is why you are always being disappointed.
Oh, so okay. It's therefore any queer brony papa bi. I'm off it. Nimdifo na me ne twetwe eyenkom gidi se wadom suko ama wanya ntiase bi wo mu se wodom obi a me ne aba akua utumi nya ne de utumi nya bone utumi hwe petro pa hwie wo se wo hye no je se yen susu dada ye ho susu ma be me pin dada wo susu ma oba bi nso ye den en dada mo woni da wate sa abo wonye sa wo dege wo early grade one share ya no be in a high life about the sell gospel na mo di
regular abese wo funky
ni na ka wo se wo ye ma ye ni da wo because obi o wa ba yes man ma o ye agent on pese wo no wo bedru be bi ese wo du na agent so do mo ba o mo ni ka share na ewie ye no na akobie wo say ube come relationship na eyefe ube come one chese because who share abaya age 18 years chese ni dia shede ni maturity ni musa not mo
she has a whole life ahead
exactly and 18 years what mo say no ho esisi no so eti be man hwade na e kona one in life sana do na wo won be pasa e baby echi on in life now we chum paso e dey amount na therefore discussion there na also work afon say ya ho metepa ya we wo se mo bank aban na me sure say o da won da ya jawadwen kire ho behia then na wo ka fon be ma no ya de ana wanya de then now if you to be na wo ma in bebru no pani na to your comment section or subscribe so won ya eso say too much there nya me kan say yeah, too much so at the emma update be a free this particular issue no messa bomo die channel at the about the somo mediani messical de bia meka messical ba ko permission ni obi ope o ba ko pe me de be sia nya me pa de be se shi